Hello my dear colleagues. Today we will do a beautiful hairstyle. We start with the section, we'll separate the fringe zone, the two-part zone and the back zone. We start working with our side zone. We will curl it with the flat iron. We start putting some hairspray to the base and lift it like this. And now with the flat iron I will come, hit a little bit the root like this, and then with the beach wave techniques, so the classic technique, from the root to the end we will start to curl this hair. The style will be like the beach waves, so we have to go very slowly to do this. So we heated the strand and then we'll go over one time and then pull out the flat iron. Go again inside, turn around, and when it's very heated you pull out, and do this technique till the end of our strand, and you will have something like this. Do this technique all over the head. In the back you will have more because you have more hair. You'll have something like 4 or 5 strands that we have to curl. The strand from the nape zone, you don't have to lift it so much because it will be very nice to do it like this. The same technique, this technique I use it to create my beach waves. Don't forget to go very slowly because the strands are a little bit with a lot of hair, and we have to hit in all the hair. And now in the fringe zone I will do the same technique. So turn around, hit in the strand, turn over and then pull it out. Also go back, turn over and pull out. This is a very easy technique that you can use it to create your shooting pictures, hairstyles. And then I will go now in the front. I will hit it very good the root, comb the strand and then turn around like this, pull out the flat iron, go back and turn over also again, wait a little bit and then go out and go inside also, turn over and pull it out, and do this technique as many times as your hair length allows you. If you have a lot of hair in the fringe zone, you can split it in more sections, depends of your hair density. So I will have in my fringe zone three strands, and then do it again. I will do, at first I will hit the root, and then I will do the same technique that I did before. It's a very easy technique that you can do to create this kind of waves. These waves are I do it when I have some shooting photos, something for pictures. It's not very, you have to take care because depends of the hair, can last a few hours but not more. So I call it shooting photo hairstyle because it's just for a few hours. So if you want something to last one night or more, you have to use another technique. So do the same technique to do this. You know, when you use the flat iron, you can put any hairspray or nothing product before you curl it, because in your flat iron needs to have the clean hair to go easier. So when we have all our curly hair, it will be like this. And with this kind of comb, I will start to comb this curl, very gentle. I will curl the waves to open it. If you want to have more curled hair, to have the waves smaller, you have to do it with curling iron. I will put some powder to the roots to create more resistance to our hairstyle and to create also volume. And now with my fingers I will use this kind of wax. It's a wax that allows us to put it like this. It's very nice, the client likes it very much, and it's a very nice product that will help you to comb it better and to have a very shiny look. So after I put this kind of wax, I will comb it, and you see the effect, the shiny effect that it has. And now I will put some hairspray all over the hair. So you see my head client, it's a little bit low, so you have to put it like this to create this kind of volume, and work it like this to put the product. Then I will separate from one part, from the left part till the middle of the nape zone, to take all the hair in the front, on the shoulders, and then I will start also to put it like this and open it more. So this is our final result. Hope you like it and practice it. See you on my next video. Bye bye.